Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Facebook account secure from hacking. Without further ado, let's get started. Now you need to open your Facebook app and then go to menu. Now scroll all the way down and select settings and privacy and then click settings. Now select the account center and then click the password and security. Now the first thing you need to do is to change your password. If your Facebook password is weak, definitely you need to change it to a strong one. Next is the two-factor authentication. I highly recommend this to turn on so that every time someone might log into your account, the Facebook will request a code coming from code generator such as Google Authenticator. Next is you can also check the saved login to check and monitor the devices where your account is logged in, something like that. I also suggest to turn on the login alerts to more security of your account. And lastly, you can check the recent emails also. If you want also to see the suggestion of Facebook to your account, you can go to security checkup. And then that's it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.